100 kilogram washing machine. It's got loads of programs on it. Been used about 4 or 5 times. Direct drive, small little drum, does the job. We've got television, JVC television, very good condition. Bought that off a friend a while ago. Want a lot of money for the washing machine because it's worth it. Want some money for the television. Here's all the door closers. So I'm a collector of door closers and I can't take these with me, but there's hundreds of them. So all different makes, all different models. I've even got the great big huge massive ones that close a fire door. These are about £850 a piece, £1,000 there. All different makes, all different models. Door closers. They're Rutlands over there, they're like £120 to buy each. So yeah. Got more door closers in here. Britain, Centurion, LCN. We've got hundreds up here, got about 400 different door closers up here. We've got Britain 1003 door closers. It's about 40, the same. We've got big huge Dormer TS83 door closers, very big door closers, very expensive. We've got blue door closers, Dormer ones. Yeah, can't pull them out unfortunately. Ah, there we go. Hundreds of these ones, hundreds, literally there's 200 of these. 200 of TS of them, hundreds of them. Got one here. More in here, hundreds in here. I've got Britain 2003, Britain 2003. I've got about 250 of these. 250 Britain 2003s, all the same. I've got about 100 Britain 2004s. Same model but different version. And we've just got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of door closers here. Hundreds, literally, like talk about hundreds. Those ones over there are Storm door closers. Those ones are there, Ryobi. We've got Dormer ones. We've got a very old Britain one there. Another old Britain one there. There's a blue one, that is. These are scrap value, be a lot of money, hopefully. But I don't want to scrap them, want to get money for them, but we'll see. Can't take any furniture because that's what comes with my flat. So all of these door closers onto the kitchen. Hisense washing machine. 2 seconds, guys. Hisense washing machine. H/5 kilogram washing machine. Very good washing machine. Big drum. Got lots of different programs. Cotton's dry, synthetics dry, wash and dry, steam refresh, allergy care, 20 degrees, drum clean, Eco 40, Eco 60, cotton, synthetics, mix, ball 15. Quick move to spin. You've got a beautiful drum in here. Really nice and easy on the clothes, and as you can see, direct drive. Amazing washing machine if you ask me. Very, very good. I'm after about £250 for that because brand new that cost me like £450 brand new. So very good washing machine. I will turn it on for a minute. There you go. We've got a Bosch coffee and cup of tea machine. Very nice indeed. Tassimo. We've got a Nescafe Dolce Gusto coffee and tea machine. Very nice of Old Z. Never used it personally, but I know these brand new are very expensive. We've got a Weeket, a very good, extremely fast Wi-Fi kettle. Takes about 5 minutes to boil. Got a little black fridge. Got an amazing mixer and a blender all in one. We've got, oh, apologies about that. That's something I cooked earlier on. We've got a nice air fryer. Very good. Does the job well. Gets everything done nice and fast. And that's it.